you looking for a smarter way to sell your LearnDash courses, especially if your course content is released over time or includes ongoing support? In this video, we'll walk you through how to use WooCommerce Subscriptions to offer recurring payments for your LearnDash courses. Let's say you've got a long-term course or a library of ongoing content. Rather than charging a one-time fee, you can offer access through monthly or yearly subscriptions. This helps students pay in smaller amounts and gives them time to explore your course value before renewing. To get started, first install and activate the WooCommerce Subscriptions add-on. Then, also install the WooCommerce LearnDash integration add-on. Both are required to link subscription products to LearnDash courses. Next, go to Subscriptions within WooCommerce settings. Here you can customize how your subscriptions behave, like enabling manual renewals, early renewals, switching between plans, and aligning renewal date. Let's start with a single subscription. Create a new product and give it a clear title and description. Under Product Data, choose Simple Subscription. Check Virtual, then set the subscription price, billing frequency, and trial period if you'd like. Finally, scroll down and link the LearnDash course. Save, and your course is ready to be sold on a recurring basis. Now, let's create a variable subscription to give students multiple payment options. Go to Attributes, create one like course access length, and add values such as 1 month, 6 months, and annual. When adding your new product, select Variable Subscription as the product type. Under the Attributes tab, assign the attribute you created, and under Variations, generate subscription variations from those attributes. Then, set different prices, billing cycles, and add LearnDash courses for each option. Now you have two flexible ways to sell your courses, a single subscription plan or a multiple subscription option. To further optimize the checkout process for your users, you can add the product URL as the button URL from the course settings. And that's it. You're ready to start selling LearnDash courses using WooCommerce Subscriptions. Need help with setup or customization? Reach out to the WooNinjas team. We've helped 5,000 plus customers set up powerful learning businesses. Like this video? Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more LearnDash tutorials.